To unlock the machine, insert the key into the side of the door, turn it and open the door. To access the ingredients, lift the lid to access the coffee beans, chocolate powder, milk powder, and decaf canisters. Filling coffee beans should be done without removing the canister. However, if you do need to remove the canister, pull the orange tab out to lock the beans in place. Lift the hopper up and out. Check for fallen beans. Ensure no beans have fallen into the area. Replace the bean hopper. Align the two lugs with the holes at the back. Angle the hopper down and in. Push the orange tab back in to secure it. Removing canisters for filling and cleaning. Close the dispense gates. You can now fill canisters safely away from the coffee machine. Wipe down the area to remove any fine powder or waste product, coffee, chocolate, or milk powder. Keep the area clean for proper machine function. To replace, align the canister with the cog. Slot it into place, ensuring it sits flush with the next component. Remember to open the dispense gates to enable ingredients to be dispensed. Thank you for watching this training video.